He has no follow-up.
We just killed all the grain in the city.
So anybody we see, we shoot.
Get close enough where you know you can hit them now.
Okay.
Scotty, hold up.
Hey, Scotty.
Yeah. Fucking hold off of that L. Grab fatty.
Okay.
Chill there. Fuck, bring it up when they come up.
I don't think they're gonna move our way though, bro.
Grab that in the path. JPC guy. Jump up the hill just a little bit. They're gonna try to flank us when they can't make any attempt. If you need help, yell for it. No, we'll just chill here. Wherever spot starts getting hit, we'll reinforce.
Yep.
Sounds good with me, man. You guys got a good alleyway down there? You see? Alright, you know we're gonna go down there, that little crotch over there. We're gonna get killed, but we're gonna start stir up some shit. Alright. BRB, they'll be pissed. Here, you wanna go through?
Yeah, I got them.
Alright, go. Nice player. You guys all dead? Okay, I want to hear. I am alive. You're alive? Over here, bro. Over here now. Oh, there you are, Brad. I was wondering what the hell happened to you. Yeah, couple, I guess. Yeah, let's go. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Come on.
I wonder if they know about the capture.